Hi friends, this is Srinivas. Today topic is chemistry about orbit. Okay, orbit. The path where the electrons are revolve around nucleus in atom. That path is called orbit. Orbit is equal to shell or energy level. Energy level, orbit, shell, energy level, these all are same. Okay, now here this is the nucleus. This is nucleus. Around nucleus cells are there or orbits are there. This is n is equal to 1 shell, n is equal to 2 shell, n is equal to 3 shell. It is also n is equal to 1 shell also called as k shell, n is equal to 2 shell it is also called L shell, n is equal to 3 it is also called as M shell. Around and also this is again right another cell. It is also n is equal to n is equal to 4. It is a n shell, n is equal to 4 n shell. Okay, listen friends, the cell where the cell where is near to nucleus, the cell where is near to nucleus, that is have lower energy. It is lower energy. Means least energy. Lower energy means it have least energy. The cell where is near to the nucleus that have least energy. The shell or orbit which is near to nucleus. It is have least energy, least or minimum energy. G. So next, the cell which is near to nucleus that have minimum energy or least energy, and the cell which are far away from the nucleus. The cell which are far away, it means the distance between the cells and nucleus increases. The distance between the cells and nucleus increases like this. The distance between the cells and nucleus increases. The cells and nucleus, the distance increases. Whenever a distance increases, energy also increases. And the orbit which is far away from nucleus is have maximum energy. It means higher energy, highest energy. Maximum energy or highest energy. Maximum energy or highest energy. The cell which is near to nucleus, it have least energy or minimum energy. The cell which is far away from the nucleus, that is have maximum energy or highest energy. It means n is equal to 1 shell. It means n is equal to 1 shell is the least energy shell. In this only in here in this perspective, n is equal to 1 is least energy cell, n is equal to 4 is higher energy cell. Okay na friends, ఇక్కడ ఆర్బిట్ అంటే కక్ష. అంటే ఒక పరమాణువులో ఒక ఎలక్ట్రాను దాని కేంద్రకం చుట్టూ తిరగడానికి ఉపయోగించే ఒక మార్గాన్నే కక్ష అంటారు అన్నమాట. ఓకేనా, పరమాణువులో కేంద్రకం చుట్టూరు ఎలక్ట్రాన్ తిరగడానికి ఉపయోగించే ఒక మార్గాన్నే కక్ష అంటారు. ఓకేనా, ఈ కక్షలు n is equal to 1, n is equal to 2, n is equal to 3, n is equal to 4 ఇలా ఉన్నాయి డెఫినెట్గా. ఓకేనా, ఒక్కొక్కటి డిస్టెన్స్ మారిపోతుంటుంది, దాని యొక్క దూరం మారిపోతుంటుంది, వ్యాసం దూరం మారిపోతుంటుంది అనమాట. మారినప్పుడు ఏ కక్ష అయితే కేంద్రకానికి దగ్గరగా ఉందో ఆ కక్షకి తక్కువ ఎనర్జీ, కేంద్రకం నుంచి దూరంగా వెళ్ళగలిగే ప్రతి కక్షకి శక్తి, ఆ ఎనర్జీ పెరుగుతూ ఉంటుంది అనమాట. అంటే n=1కి తక్కువ ఎనర్జీ, n=4కి ఎక్కువ ఎనర్జీ ఉంటుంది అనమాట ఇక్కడ. ఓకేనా, ఇవన్నీ ఇలా సెల్స్ అనమాట. ఆర్బిట్స్ ఆర్ సెల్స్ ఆర్ ఆర్బిట్స్ అంటే కక్షలు. ఓకేనా, శక్తి కక్షలు లేదా శక్తి మార్గాలు అంటారు వీళ్ళు. ఓకే, ఈ కక్షల్లో ఇప్పుడు దీన్ని ఇక్కడ ఈ కక్షలు కొన్ని మళ్ళీ ఉన్నాయన్నమాట. ఎలా ఉన్నాయంటే దీస్ ఆర్ క్లాసిఫైడ్ ఇంటూ 3 టైప్స్ అగైన్. దీస్ సెల్స్ ఆర్ ఆర్బిట్స్ ఎనర్జీ లెవెల్స్ ఆర్ క్లాసిఫైడ్ ఇంటూ 3 టైప్స్. Cells are classified into 3 types. Cells are classified into 3 types. Those are 1. Ultimate cell, ultimate cell or orbit. Ultimate cell or orbit, it indicates n. It indicates n. Next, penultimate cell. Penultimate shell, it indicates n-1. Next, anti-penultimate cell. Anti-penultimate cell, anti-penultimate shell, it indicates n-2. Okay na? Ultimate shell n, penultimate cell n-1, anti-penultimate cell n-2. Okay na? Look at here, look at the diagram also now. Now listen, all of you, this is the ultimate cell, the cell which is far away from the nucleus. The cell which is far away from the nucleus. It means that is outermost shell. That is outermost shell. Outermost shell. Outermost shell or valency cell. Valency shell. It is called ultimate cell also. Ultimate shell. It indicated by n. It indicated by n. Ultimate shell. It indicated by n. Ultimate shell. It indicated by n. Ultimate shell. Okay. The cell which is far away from the nucleus. Far away from the nucleus means it is n=4. Here in this diagram, n=4 is outermost shell. It is also called valence cell. So outermost shell or valence cell. It is also called simply ultimate cell. It indicated by n. It indicated by n. It indicated by n. Okay. Now and once again repeat it. The path where the electrons are revolve around the nucleus. And in an atom, that path is called orbit. Okay, no friends? Okay, these are the orbit 1, orbit 2, orbit 3, orbit 4, orbit 5, orbit 6, so many there. But every orbit start from n=1, n=2, n=3, n=4. Here letters, alphabet letters indicated K, L, M, N, O, like that. Okay, now n=1 is least energy cell, n=4 is highest energy cell. Okay, now which is far away from the nucleus, which is outermost the shell, that is called valence cell or outermost shell. Okay, friends, wait. Okay, now friends, next cell is called, this is the next second cell, it is called penultimate cell. Penultimate shell. It indicated by n-1. Indicated by n-1. Look at here, here n=4, here n=4, here n=4. Okay, now we substitute n=4 here. n=4 here. Now 1=4 means 4 minus 1. 4 minus 1 means 3. So n=3 is a penultimate cell. n=3 is penultimate cell. n=3 now, and here n-1 means 3. n-1 means 3. n-1 means 3. That is n=3 shell. That is n=3 shell. Okay. Now listen. Next, that is penultimate cell. Another cell is this is another cell. This is anti-penultimate cell. Anti-penultimate cell. Anti-penultimate cell. It is equal to n minus 2. So n is equal to 4. Substitute here. 4 minus 2. 4 minus 2 is equal to 2. So n is equal to 2 is anti-penultimate cell. N is equal to 3 is penultimate cell. N is equal to 4 is ultimate cell. Okay. Now remaining penultimate cell, anti-penultimate cell. Penultimate cell and anti-penultimate cell. Both are called core cells. These two are penultimate and anti-penultimate. Those two are called core cells. Core cells are core orbits. Core cells are core orbits. Core cells are core orbits. It means those are near to nucleus. Those are near to nucleus. Okay. Now it is core cell. The anti-penultimate cell and penultimate cell. These two are called core cells, and it is called outer cell. It is called outer cell or ultimate cell. This is okay. Now this is outer cell and valence cell or ultimate cell. Now this is penultimate, anti-penultimate. Penultimate and anti-penultimate called, both two are called core cells. Okay friends, this is orbits. This is orbits.